So we're gonna make bean sprouts. You can get these on Amazon, eBay. These are mung beans. Seed to sprout in 6 days. So I'll show you how I prep them. I grow them in these ball mason jars, and I bought these screened lids off of eBay. So I'm going to measure out 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to fill this up with water. And we're going to put the lid on. And we're going to let that sit overnight. I just have this breathable towel. And we'll check it tomorrow. It's been 24 hours since we put the mung bean in there, so we're just going to drain it. And then we're going to go ahead and rinse it. And we're just going to completely drain it. You're going to do this twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening before you go to bed. This lid has these standoffs or little legs. So we're going to put it in a container so it can kind of drain off. And then we're just going to keep it in a dark place. Just keeping it in the laundry room. Here we are, day 3. I just rinsed them and drained them. And you can see they sprouted out. Here we are. We got a day or 2 left to go. All right, back under cover. All right, here we are, day 5. You can see the volume has increased. I just rinsed these. And we'll rinse them one more this evening, and tomorrow will be day number 6, and we'll go ahead and harvest them. Time to harvest the bean sprouts. It's day 6. So we're gonna give them one final rinse. Now the skins, or the shells of the seeds, we're gonna have to separate those out. So what I do, I'll empty this in some water, and a lot of the shells will float to the top. Trying to help them separate. You can eat them, there's nothing wrong with them, but I don't like them. There you have it. We have about almost 2 cups of bean sprouts, nice and fresh. Grew them in a jar. There's no reason why you can't grow some of your own food. And it's nice to have these. Are good in salads. Mix it with eggs, fry it, have egg foo young. I'm gonna make some Mongolian beef here in a couple of days, so I'll have my bean sprouts. Okay, you saw how easy it was. Give it a shot. Appreciate you stopping by. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you've ever done this yourself or anything similar. Thanks for watching.